EFD is really well positioned to support contract manufacturers because we have 65 years in this space of fluid dispensing. It's not something you can necessarily go and hire specifically for. It's a lot of tribal knowledge, in-house training, and pure experience within the space, right? It's trial and error over years of time. And we have strong relationships with the large OEMs who these contract manufacturers are manufacturing for. We have strong relationships with the machine builders and integrators, strong relationships with the fluid formulators. So it allows us to bring subject matter experts in to support our clients and really deliver a full solution for them. We encourage our clients to bring us in early and often, right? It's the sooner we are involved in the process, the more we can discuss. Things come out of multiple conversations with multiple stakeholders. So it allows us to really fine tune the solution, bring in our fluid dispensing expertise, call in other subject matter experts as needed, and whether it's automation, fluid formulation, or anything in between, just to make sure that we're providing that holistic solution early on, so that transition from early prototype to process manufacturing to large scale production is as smooth as possible. One of the key things that sets EFD apart from our competitors is our strategically situated applications labs and validation labs around the globe in Latin America, North America, Europe, and Asia. We have engineers that are performing these dispensing applications, the toughest applications in the industry, every single day. So we don't get easy applications. We're always trying to push that limit. We expect our clients are coming to us because they're trying to push a new limit. So it creates a really innovative environment, allows us to continue to innovate our equipment and provide those solutions for our customers who are trying to push the limits in their space as well. It also allows us to see what's happening across geographies, see trends, and allow us to be reactive and help us develop better solutions for our multinational and all customers in between. With our contract manufacturing clients, we really like to take a consultative approach. Ultimately, they're bringing in a new production line or a line transfer. So we like to go on site with our fluid process experts, review the specifications of their process, and then ultimately try to identify ways we can improve throughput, increase yields, reduce scrap costs, ultimately to deliver the highest quality product.